Hello, my name is attorney Asli Sayar. I practice law in the states of California and Nevada. And on behalf of my own law practice and my sister firm, Leah Law APC, welcome to another episode of Did You Know? And we today are going to be continuing our discussion about some of the legalities about working from home. Many of us, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, will now permanently or at least indefinitely be working from our place of residence rather than our usual business locale. And because of that, there are some legalities that you might want to be aware of to protect yourself and your business as a result. In today's follow-up episode on this topic, we're going to be speaking about two particular areas. First will be homeowners associations, and the second will be waivers. Now, many people, depending on where they live, they may be under a homeowners association. That means because of where they rent or live, there are certain restrictions on what they can and cannot do from their place of residence. Sometimes homeowners associations are very strict. They tell you, you can't have weeds in your front yard. You can't paint your house purple. Condos and apartment buildings sometimes have homeowners associations. If you rent your house or apartment, the person who actually owns the house or apartment may be requiring you as the tenant to follow the homeowners association or condo association guidelines. This has always been the case. This is not something new just because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, because many of us are working from home, we now need to be more aware of the fact that some homeowners or condo associations put restrictions on what type of home-based businesses can be operated within their jurisdiction. That means that certain types of businesses may be prohibited, or in fact, all types of businesses are prohibited within your homeowners association or condo association. Now, there may be exceptions and exclusions to those rules because of the COVID-19 pandemic, but regardless, if a homeowners association or condo association wants to, they could enforce those rules against the homeowner or the tenants and find them in violation of those restrictions if such restrictions exist. Some homeowner or condo associations require permission to be requested before a business can be operated within a place of residence. So it might be important at this juncture to pull out your homeowners association CC&Rs, your covenants and your restrictions and rules. If you're a tenant, hopefully you've also received a copy of that document when you became a tenant at your place of residence, and look through and see what the restrictions are, if any, about operating a home-based business. Now, again, maybe condos and homeowners associations will not take steps to enforce their rules, but there's no guarantee. So to be on the safe side, it's better to arm yourself with information so that you can be prepared to avoid liability simply because you're operating your business from home, especially if you plan to continue to operate from home even as shelter-in-place orders are lifted. The second item we wanted to talk to you about today about working from home are waivers. Now, as many of us may be continuing to work from home for the foreseeable future, depending on your personal and familial needs, you may be required to meet with customers and clients in person. Now, the preference would always be, I'm sure, to use video conferencing or other telephone options to avoid meeting in person, especially because of the health risks at this point in time. But if you cannot avoid meeting a customer or a client in person, it is helpful to protect yourself and your business by getting a waiver from that customer or client that can be prepared by your attorney locally that says the person who is entering your home waives any rights to sue you if they trip and fall on the carpet, if they bump into something and injure themselves in some fashion. You want to protect yourself as you would your business by getting that waiver from a customer or client who is choosing to enter your home. Similarly, that waiver should probably contain language regarding affirmative statements made by that customer or client saying that they swear under penalty of perjury, if necessary, that they do not have symptoms, that they will follow instructions for health and safety as they enter and utilize your home for business purposes. These two things can seriously impact and put your business at risk. So please keep in mind that there may be homeowners or condo association restrictions that limit your ability to work from home. And please keep in mind that to protect yourself, if you do need to meet customers or clients in your place of residence, to have them first sign a waiver that protects you and your business from claims of liability and wrongdoing in the event there is an unforeseen accident. Your local attorney can assist you with this. Our law firm is happy to assist you with this if your home-based business is in Nevada or California. We hope this information will help you as you navigate the new reality of working from home. Thank you very much.